want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these products to us for free. What's up, Fabsome Besties? It is Black History Month of 2022. And Mattel sent us a box to celebrate, filled with goodies. Filled with items from Black female business owners, like Mindful Fee, Spoken Flames, oh wow, that smells fabulous, Be Rooted Co., The Editorial Nail, ooh, we might have to try those, and a book about Ida B. Wells. Which is a great transition to the new Ida B. Wells doll from the Inspiring Women series. I am kind of a fan of the Inspiring Women series. Rosa Parks was also in the box. We have reviewed this doll on our channel, but I do not mind building a little collection because this is also the doll that I use for my mini. And I made sure to pick up a Maya Angelou doll to use as a professor at our doll university. I like the Inspiring Women series because it brings the real world into the play world. The face sculpts, the face paint or screenings, and the fashion. Plus, the back of the box is educational. Ida B. Wells, born into slavery 3 years before slavery ended in 1865, Ida B. Wells would later become a formidable activist for civil rights and women's suffrage. She started her career as a teacher and segued into journalism, where she gained national prominence. In her late 20s, she became both editor and co-owner of the Memphis Free Speech newspaper. She courageously exposed the inequality and cruelty that Black people faced. We can seriously go from box to box, learning about these inspiring women. I carefully unbox them. Each doll comes with a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand, they are fully dressed, and have an accessory, like a book, purse, and newspaper. Since this is the newest doll in our collection, let's focus on Ida B. Wells for a second. Her face is very neutral with painted edges. Her hair is pulled up into a bun. This is a curvy Barbie wearing black. The outfit is 2 pieces, a top and a skirt. The top has white lace at the collar, black lace down the front, long sleeves with lace at the cuffs, and around the bottom of the top. She has a long skirt that covers the doll stand and has lace around the bottom. The top and skirt open with Velcro in the back, and she wears black shoes. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. The newspaper opens up, and there is print on all sides. Online, I have seen these dolls ranging from $27 to $35. Fashionista number 183 and 166 was also included in the box, along with the pet photographer career doll. We are very familiar with number 183. It's the same doll that we used for our model that we named Jules and put on a made-to-move body. Speaking of made-to-move bodies, Fashionista number 166 is fully articulated. Yeah! I'm happy I got the pet photographer. I've been looking at this doll at the store for a few weeks now because I liked her heart dress and that she comes with a black camera. She also comes with a dog and white shoes with sculpted bows. This is a petite doll with the basic 5 points of articulation. I want to know if her dress can fit an original. Good thing we have a volunteer right here. Here it is. It's a cute little dress. I am removing her lipstick out of curiosity. Add a little gloss to switch it up. And speaking of changes, maybe we should transform these boxes into a doll museum. I really do like the box art, and I think turning it into a miniature museum is a great way to enjoy it. So let's take cardboard or foam board and make our basic hidden doll room. With 13-inch walls, On a 30-inch wide board, I score a line 11.5 inches from the edge on both sides to make a trifold. Cut the leftover foam board for the floor. For me, that is 7 by a little under 11.5 inches. So now I have my walls and my floor and a little bit of foam board left over. It's enough to cut a 12 3/4 inch wall, 2 7 by 2 inch rectangles, and a few triangles. I went into my foam board scrap bin to get a few more pieces. This one is 3 by 9, 1/2 inch by 7, 3/4 inch by 7, and 1 by 7 inches. So we can make a floating wall. Let's take the 9 by 3 and the floor, as well as the 2-inch and the triangles, and cover them with a wood grain paper. I'm using one of our free printables from our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. However, you can also use scrapbook paper as well. After covering the front, I flip it over, cut the corners, so we create little tabs, then fold them over and glue down, making a nice and neat covered board. For the 2 side walls, I'm going to use a brick paper. This is also a printable available on our blog. I left the back wall white and typed out one of the quotes from the boxes to glue onto the wall. Glue in the floor on 2 sides. Take the 3 by 9 inch piece, glue on the white wall, then glue the smaller strips at the bottom and the top. So we have a wall we can move around. Take the last 2 boards and the triangles and glue the triangles in the back. Then glue it onto the wall. Cut the pictures and information from the doll boxes to glue into the room. So our museum features inspiring women. I really like how with the removable wall, we can create different angles. And we can place it inside the room and close the wall for easy storage, giving us a museum in a hidden doll room. And if we make more hidden doll rooms, we can add on to our museum and show different exhibits. I picked these 2 play sets up at the store. They were $19.99 each. The ice skater is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Her hair is pulled up into a bun and she has a pink tiara, a pink outfit. The front has a printed design with glitter and it is solid in the back. She has pink stockings or tights. However, I am having trouble getting them all the way up. But that could just be my experience and yours could be different. The stockings or tights do include the toe, and she wears white skates with silver blades. She comes with a pink and white jacket or cardigan that says bold, strive, fearless, brave, Barbie. She has a silver colored trophy and a bouquet of flowers. Aw, I really like the flowers. Barbie dough. This is the Barbie Ice Cream Shop. I'm loving all the pastel colors. This doll has curly hair held back with a headband, wears a dress with a printed apron. There's an ice cream print on the back. She has pink shoes and the basic 5 points of articulation. Here is our little ice cream shop. Lots of little sculpted details. There's a sticker at the bottom that looks like a refrigerator and some shelving. Many of the included pieces can fit into the top. We have 2 cups, 2 spoons, 2 ice cream cones and a little stand, little decorative toppers, and 2 colors of Barbie dough. Let's place one of the cones under the dispenser. Let's remove this piece. Get a little ball of dough, place it in the top, put the blue thing back, push down to see the ice cream. There it is. Start to fill the cup. Oh my goodness, it actually works. Not me sounding surprised. Okay, let's carefully remove it. Oh no, I did that wrong. Well, I didn't get like a perfect little swirl. Maybe we can shape that a little, or just let it be what it is. Add one of the toppers to make ice cream fit for a doll. Let's try that again with a cup. Here is the ice cream. I can't really get it to swirl. I mean, it kind of does, but add a topper and a spoon. When you're done playing, we do need to remove it and pull it apart to remove the excess dough. I think this is a pretty cute play set, and for an ice cream shop, I think the colors are appropriate. But I totally wouldn't mind if it was taller than the doll. And we're just gonna pretend like this is almond milk ice cream. As an adult doll collector, I'm pretty happy with my new additions, and I see a reroute in somebody's future. Thank you for joining us for another Barbie haul. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!